Hello so tribe, you are all welcome back to my channel. Yeah, thank you all for subscribing to this channel. And if you have not subscribed, please kindly do so. It promises to be great here. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video. Now today we're going to learn something very interesting. I'll be showing us how we can create invisible structure on our dresses. We're using Regni bone to create our structure. The reason why we'll be using the bone is because it is sewable. You can actually sew on it. So we're going to sew it under to make our dress fit very well. So let's just head straight to the sewing machine. So these are the material I'll be working with. I'll be using my Regni bone to create the structure. Now, the first thing you want to do after you might have cut out your dress is to draw out your style lines. This is very important as this is going to serve as guide. It's going to help you to know what you are working on. So the style line depends on your preference. There is no one rule to it depends on your choice. So as you can see, I have drawn out my style lines, and mind you, to draw out your style lines is going to be on the wrong side of your fabric. So this is it. I'm working with my doll face bridal satin. Can you see it? This is the right side and this is the wrong side. So you're going to add the interfacing of your choice to it just to make your fabric strong. So I've done out my style line. Do it straight on the fabric and you're going to do it on the wrong side. You're going to measure your line. This is it. For here now I have 7 inches. You are not going to cut out the whole 7 inches. You are going to leave ½ inch to 3/4 inch here and here, so that by the time you want to join, you want to add anything to it, it will be very convenient. So I'm going to cut out my boning and show you how it looks. So this is it. I have cut it, leaving ½ inch up and ½ inch down, and I will have this as my bone. I hope you can see it. So the next thing I want to do now is I'm going to sew it down using the line as my guide. It is very important. So I'm going to sew it down and show you how it looks. So this is it. I've sewn this side down. Can you see it? So you don't want to leave this side like this. So you are going to sew it down as well. Let me sew it down and show you how it looks. So this is this, the other side. Can you see it? Able to sew the bone. I've sewn it down. Can you see it? And this is how it will look outside. So can you see it? So I'm going to create bone for everything on all the style lines, and I'll come back to show you how it looks. All right, I have done all the bones. Can you see it? And it's really looking beautiful now. So the next thing I will do now is to give it a good press. So this is how it is outside. Let me give it a good press and come and show you the outlook. All right, so you can go ahead and try yours. This is the inside. So I'm not going to leave it naked like this. I'm still going to cover it up with my beautiful bridal lace. Can you see it? Fully stoned bridal lace. Can you see it? And can you see that the lace has really concealed the line, fully structured, and all the lines are concealed. So this is the final outlook of our tutorial. So if this tutorial has been helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video. I'll see you in the next class. Bye.